Now I haven't been working on the house. I had to stop. I had to get my priorities straight. Septic, septic, septic. It's time for a change. I gotta break this up a little bit. I'm a Texas boy. Can't be grilling a steak in a pan. What the heck? What'd they say? When you said it's like Denny's, right? Waffle House in the US. Man, I'm a Texas boy. I gotta have me a barbecue grill. Yep. Now this ain't the grills. Cement's gonna get poured there. But I'm building me a barbecue grill. And I'm gonna share it with the fam. The familia. Yeah. Man, I can't go be like these other vloggers, you know, and they'll show going like one up there in Lipa City, showing he's buying his high dollar stainless steel built-in barbecue grill. Can't do that here. Then I got another gentleman I watch. It's up in Angeles City. He's bragging about his $3 barbecue grill, which that thing's super tiny and the charcoal's virtually sitting right on the grill. And I had a couple of those cheap little grills. Salt ate them right up, man. We tried to wash them out and put them back away in a box every time. And finally Melinda left them out for the family one trip. She left them on outside. Of course the family jumped on using them. I don't blame them, man. They enjoy it too, right? But man, the salt ate them up like it was nothing. I mean, just gone, boom, gone. And you can go buy these charbroil grills and stuff now. They got them at Wilcon. They got them at S&R and other places too. Different brand names that we know back in the US for those barbecue grills. They might have a stainless steel lid and this and that, but let me tell you, they're not all rust proof against the salt. I ain't spend that kind of money. Put one of those here for it to get ate up with the salt, man. I mean, it eats everything, even the little connections on the hoses and stuff. If you got a gas one, man, eats it up. Nothing gets mercy from the salt. I'm telling you. You don't believe me? Let me show you something right here. Like I say, I didn't build this house. I just acquired it and all the things with it. And let me show you the air conditioner here. Y'all see this? Watch this. Look here. This is your air conditioner on salt. Look at the motor in there. Check that out, man. Y'all want to see what salt does? Here you go. Check out the motor in there, man. All the way through. You see that? See that? And check this frame out. You see this frame? This is stainless steel. Filipino stainless steel. But stainless steel nonetheless. And you see the condition? I mean, it's holding up a little better, but not 100%. So if you're wondering why I'm building one out here out of concrete and hollow block, well, there you go, right there. Look at our other air conditioner too. Gone. They're just filling holes in the wall now. They're just space takers. They're all asking which one's gonna be the one to take them to the scrap metal to get them a few pesos for it. Even the wife says she'll be the one. That she'll be the one to take it to the scrap. I said, then we pull it out, we gotta seal up a hole in the wall, because I'm not putting another one back in there. Man, we don't need all these air conditioners. I don't care nothing about that. We got one in our bedroom. It's enough. In our little living room there, the sweet thing about a small house, I can leave that bedroom door open and that cool air just drifts right on in there, that living room, just fine. One air conditioner set on about medium, And man, we are living the life of luxury in there. I don't know why my brother-in-law put four of those air conditioners in this tiny little house. Then he would sit in there in his underwear and leave every blind closed, every light off, like down inside of a cave. Well, I can tell you a little bit why. He was from Sweden, and what's his body used to? The cold. Man, he'd be sitting there drinking that cold brew. He had to have it as cold as it would get. If it got a little warm, toss it out. And man, he needed like a polar ice cap in there. Man, well, I don't like it too cold. In fact, if it gets too cool in the house for me, I kind of feel a little sick. I don't know about y'all. It makes me feel a little tight in the throat. Yeah, I don't need all that. But what I do need, I need a barbecue grill. Hey. What's he doing in the king's chair? This is the king's throne right here. What's he doing in the king's chair? Huh?
Doing good. Now what you doing?
What is he doing in the king's chair?
It is his throne now.
Oh, he's preparing to take over the throne, huh?
Yes, my friend.
My little nephew. My little buddy. Yeah, that's right. You better get out of the throne. He's too young to be in the throne. Oh, whatever. Whatever. It's not your time yet. What? Yeah. Boy, look at, he's sitting there just like a king too.
No problem.
Ruling his kingdom with a lollipop. Yeah. Ruling the kingdom with a lollipop. Oh man, it's that good, huh? What? We'll have to get Mama Melinda to wash that off. Wait. Mal? I guess it won't be Mama Melinda, it'll be me. Alright, look at her. He's already ready at the door for it. I had to clean my little buddy's sucker off so he can rule his kingdom a good clean way. So part of this, we'll finish this. I'll show you more videos, pouring some cement in here, having some grills made. One area here, I'm just gonna make it flat. They can put their cookers on top of. Throw them pots on there for cooking up a little food. Now I have to be squatting down there on the ground fanning it. That's all right, they're used to doing that, but I'm not. Maybe I'm gonna cook something out here. I wanna be able to reach it. It's hard for a fat boy to get on his knees. I can't do that Indian squat, sitting on the back of my legs. My granddad could though. Yeah, my granddad on my mom's side, that's the way he sat. He did that at an Indian squat. Well, I must have got the genes from my mom's side of the family, where we look like a bunch of pot-bellied pigs. Yeah, must have got that gene. Well, that's what's going on here, is getting ready to cook up some steak. Can't be pan frying and having y'all making Denny's and Waffle House jokes on me. Cook up some chicken there. Where you going, pretty Mel? Where you going, babe? Some malunga or what? Malunga? Oh. Yeah, we can grill up that chicken, grill up that pork chops. Man, so the thing is that even my grills are gonna be a tough problem because I put those grills on here. I go have them welded up here at the shop and put on there. One thing, if this thing ain't used on a regular basis and get that good fat all around that grill and they don't go scraping it all off, because man, they think they got to strip it back to bare metal every time. I can't teach them about seasoning. Like the outside of their pots are kind of seasoned. Thank you there, bro. I don't know. I think he's over there. I seen him go that way. See if he's there. So so the thing is, I have those grills made and welded up. I leave them on there. Man, I know what's gonna happen. I know it, I know it, I know it. I've already been down this road. They'll yank them bad boys off. They'll set them down on the ground on top of a stone on each side. Now throw a whole bunch of firewood underneath it. And they'll set their pots on there to cook on down on the ground. Then when they're done with them, they'll throw them down in this salt-ridden sand and leave them laying there. And here we go. Or they'll make it to a neighbor's house because they borrowed it, right? So there's that problem. Then the next problem is that no matter what, even if they leave them on there, if they don't stay seasoned with a little oil or something, they're gonna rust. So that means I might have to go up to the city, to Iloilo. There's a stainless steel shop there. They make all kinds of stuff out of stainless steel. I ain't talking about a little shop. We're talking about, man, it is a plethora of stainless steel stuff there. Anything you can imagine for your home, motorcycle, car, boat, custom made, whatever. That's all their work is. Fittings, hardware. Man, they got top grade, they got low quality stainless steel. A little bit of other stuff too there. They got a little bit of brass stuff and all as well. I can go there and have them to make me some stainless steel grills. But then I'm also gonna to have some stainless steel hardware to fasten them suckers down with a hinge on the back side so they do not leave that grill, because they will leave to never be seen again. Yeah. But that's the way it is. I just laugh about it, you know. Like I say, what you gotta do is just think ahead and solve the problem in advance. So I know that's what the problem will be. So as I do this project, I stay one step ahead and fix the problem. Just get some good ones made. Get some hinges of some type on the back of it back there. Drill in. Set anchors in the concrete in the back, and have me some that'll just fold up. Throw your charcoal in there. Clean your ash out, whatever. Fold them back down. Yeah. I mean, that's just the things that I have to deal with here. Not everybody has to, but I have to. It's just so many people moving and a shaking and a going and a coming everywhere over here. I don't know. Maybe I'll have the stainless steel done for over at my place over there when I build mine. I'll just have them some ordinary built. They destroy it. Well, then that's their fault. That's probably the way to do it. Have them some ordinary built. They destroy it. It's their problem. You get this one time, you don't get it twice. It's a rainy day. We can't really do nothing over our next door anyway. At least this project that's under the little roof here. So it's all good. It's all good. But soon you're gonna see me grilling. Yeah. You're gonna see me grilling. Might have to get me some temporary rebar grills on there until I can get on up there to the city. Yep. Then I'm gonna be here seaside grilling fish, pork, chicken, and steak. Linda's mom better watch out. She's got 6 cows and they got some calves. She posts them out around different places around the Bronx out here and letting them graze grass and side of the highway and fields that ain't being used, and they'll take a knife and go shave grass over in that subdivision and bag it up, kind of like baling hay, a very basic style. And they'll take that grass and go feed it to the cows and all. But she's got 6 cows, and man, one of those calves, I don't know where the blood popped out in it at, but man, it's got a different bloodline. Cause that joker's got a good muscle tone to it, man. It's looking good. I told Melinda, man, I might just have to buy that calf off of her, make a little pen, fatten that joker up, and butcher it myself. I can do it. I know how. I am a East Texas country boy. Ain't that right? Ain't that right? I've got some friends on here. I've got some subscribers on here that are also them Texans. It ain't just Texans. It's all of us rednecks. We know how to do this stuff. Yeah, we know. Man, I see some butchering going on here. And when you want to use the word butchering, that is exactly what it is. It is a butchered up job. But man, I tell you what, we know how to do the prime cuts in the US. Yeah, we do, man. I can handle it. Man, I can take that thing over in my new garage and set me up a good table. Got that steel up there hanging from the ceiling. Boy, I can hang that joker, skin it, everything, quarter it out, lay it down on a table, and have me some good clean pans and knives and vacuum sealed bags. I could go to work. I can go to work, and then I can take some of that meat and go right up here in town and carry it in a bag with me. And man, they got meat grinders here. I can have them right there on the spot to grind my meat for me for just pesos, and turn it into ground meat. Sure can. Come back here and fill up the freezer. But you know why I'm not doing that yet? Because I don't trust the power grid. Get all that meat in the freezer and then it's gone. Well, I'm gonna get off here. I'm gonna be in their way here. I gotta get out of this rain. If I step out, I'm gonna be in the rain. So all of you out there, thank you. Thank you for support. And the rooster also thanks you very much, and he also thanks you for your support. Have a blessed day.